At this point of time, I am sitting in Park Circus neighborhood of Calcutta. Perhaps you know that on 20th May evening around 5 p.m., a super cyclone named Amphan or Umfan hit Bengal. Tragedy followed in its path. More than 5 districts of Bengal were severely affected. There was devastation, destruction, and death. Sundarban is one of the areas that was worst affected because the landfall of the cyclone happened there. Now, Sundarban is a very unique ecosystem. It is the place where, it's the delta where the river Ganga comes and meets the sea. There are thousands of islands in Sundarban. More than 45 lakh people call it their home. This area has been devastated more than any. 32 embankments that prevent the sea from coming into land have been breached. Seawater has come into villages, come into the ponds and killed all the fisheries. Seawater has completely destroyed the agricultural land. It will be several years before these lands can be used for cultivation again. People are without roof on their homes. The roofs have simply flown away. All kacha rooms, kacha huts made of mud have collapsed. Lakhs of people are without food, water, electricity, phone and internet. Priority now is to ensure that dry ration is reached to them, drinking water is reached to them, then electricity, then telephone service and internet. In many areas, the local administration and the NDRF have not yet been able to reach. The extent of calamity is beyond imagination and beyond a few pictures that we have seen. I call upon the nation to stand with Sundarban, to stand with Bengal in this grave hour of crisis. This is a national calamity and we should all work together to make sure that those who have suffered feel that they are part of the nation and the nation is with them. Thank you.